Hi guys, thanks for tuning into the latest video on the Scan Tool Network. In this video we're going to be looking at the iCarsoft BMM version 3.0. One thing to note before we get into this video is that this kit here, this exact kit, is still in testing, so it's running a little bit slow. The software that we're using is a little bit slow, but once the product is out on the open market, it will run a lot faster, I promise you that. I'm going to put a link to where you can find this in the description. Fakes and clones unfortunately will be existing as soon as this product hits the market, so make sure you use the link in the description, because that way you'll get a genuine and official product. We're in a BMW 3 Series. We've got the ABS light on, we've got the traction control and the ABS typical message that we get here. So I'm going to click into diagnostics and I'm going to go through and see if we can figure out with this tool what the actual problem is. So we can go automatically identify the vehicle. You can choose the vehicle yourself, or you can choose for the tool to automatically identify it, and that can take about 30 seconds or so. But this tool is the newest version. There's a BMW version 1.0, a version 2.0. This is now the version 3.0. This kit doesn't replace the other kits, it runs alongside the other kits, but it does have more features and more functions. I'll try and remember and show you those at the end of the video. But ultimately it's going to cover all of the main systems like the engines, the airbags, the ABS, transmission, and you name it. So we're just waiting for this to connect. As I say, the tool that you get if you went for a kit like this would be a lot quicker. We're in the very early stages of the software here, so things are just running a little bit slower, but it's what the reason they've done that is so they can just get the software right first, and then they'll work on the speed of it. So it says the program is loading. So control unit, so it's going to open up a list of systems which we can potentially diagnose. Also, not all of the systems have been added here, because you can see we've got only 19 there. Well, in fact, the BM version 1.0 and the 2.0, they cover like over 100 systems. So here it is at the bottom here, DSC, Dynamic Stability Control. So click onto that. Will it let us read the fault codes? So it looks like there's one fault code. Freezing data are being read. Again, this will be a lot quicker in the real world once you get it. Okay, wheel speed sensor, voltage supply short circuit to B plus rear right. So that's the fault code there. So it's basically telling us that there's a problem with the rear right ABS sensor. That explains why we've got the ABS light on, the traction control light on. So what we really need to do now is just to go ahead and replace the ABS sensor. Once the ABS sensor is replaced, then it's just simply a case of coming back into the vehicle, clicking on clear fault memory. Once you do that, you'll probably get rid of all of the ABS warning lights. That's how it works. You need to fix a problem if you want to get access to getting rid of the warning lights. But I'm gonna, as I say, this tool will work a lot quicker in the real world once it's open on the open market. We're still in the final stages of testing it. But we've been sent this kit by iCarsoft just to do a sort of a very short rundown on the kit. Or what I was going to show you actually was the service functionality that it covers as well. So if we look at the service functions, these are the special functions that it will cover now. So oil service reset, electronic park and brake, battery registration, electronic throttle, steering angle sensor, DPF, ABS brake bleeding, injector coding, TPMS, body stability, engine, transmission adaptation, engine idle, and other. So there's lots of adaptations that you can do with this tool, and so basic coding services. Alright, link in the description. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.